Hi everyone, Olivia Issa here from Issa Fit, and today I'm going to show you an easy way to hand sew a face mask that's effective. Now, I'm sure you've seen the tutorials going around the internet for quick and easy DIY face masks, like turning your bandana into a mask using some hair ties. And while a bandana is great for protecting you from spreading germs, that bandana is not protecting you from the germs that come in from the environment and the air around you. So this is a more effective mask that will protect both you from letting out germs, but you from getting germs as well. To make this, I tried to collect materials I had around my house. So I have a pillowcase. I've done some research on the most effective materials for making masks. I'll put the link to an article below, but pillowcases ranked pretty high. Additionally, I have some ribbon that I found just laying around my house. If you don't have ribbon, that's okay. You can get creative. If you have elastics, that works. But if you don't, you can maybe go find an old tank top with spaghetti straps and cut the straps off, or maybe cut up an old headband, anything that can tie in the back and be sort of thin. I'll also be using thread, hand sewing needles, and straight pins. If you don't have straight pins, that's okay. You can use your extra hand sewing needles to pin the fabric together. I'll be using scissors and a ruler as well. Starting by opening up my pillowcase, I'm going to find the corner and measure out an 8 by 8 inch square. If you're using fabric that doesn't have sewn sides already, that's okay too. Follow along. Later on, I'll direct you to sew those sides up if they're not sewn already. Then I'll cut around where I just pinned, making sure to leave a 1/4 to a 1/2 inch between where I pinned and where I'm cutting. Now I'll turn the square inside out. Now I'll pin one of the 2 sides that are currently open. Note that if you're not using the corner of a pillowcase like I am, be sure to pin down 3 of your 4 sides instead of just the 1. Note that my mask will have a pocket at the top for filters. If you don't want a filter pocket on your mask, you can just sew up the 4th side as well, leaving a 1/4 of the side open so that you can turn your mask right side out once you've sewn it. To make a clean pocket, we're going to fold down the side that isn't going to be sewn 2 times and crease it with the scissors so that the raw edge is hidden. For the side that we're going to use as our pocket, we're going to pin an inch in, leaving 6 inches in the middle open still. It's time to thread our needle so that we can sew along where we just pinned. Sew a straight line where you just pinned. If you pinned 3 sides instead of 1, be sure to sew all 3 up so that the only side open is the top pocket side. Once you reach the end of the side you were just sewing, Make a 90-degree turn and sew 1 inch into the next side of the square where you marked with your pins. Once you've sewn 1 inch into the pocket side, cut your thread and knot it off to make sure it's secured. On the other side of the pocket side, sew 1 inch into the fabric where you pinned. By the time you finish sewing, you should have 1 inch sewn on either side of the pocket and 3 fully sewn sides. Next, turn the fabric right side out, being sure to push the corners all the way through. Measure and cut your ribbon into 4 18-inch strips. Now, pin the end of each ribbon to a corner of the square. You can see that I'm folding down the side of the ribbon that I'm pinning so that it doesn't fray. Sew the ribbons to the fabric in the places that you've pinned. Now we'll get ready to pleat the mask. Find the midpoint of the mask and pin it on either side. And then find the midpoint of that, and that will be the quarter of your mask, and pin it again, and the same for the lower quarter. You'll end up with 3 evenly spaced lines of pins. To pleat the fabric, take hold of 1 pin on either side and pull it down halfway between that pin and the next. Pin down the pleat so that you can sew it later. Do the same for the next 2 lines. Once each pleat is pinned, sew up the sides, being sure to secure each pleat. Remember to tie off your seams to secure them. I have here a tissue that I'm going to fold and put in my mask, trying to lay it as flat as possible. And to put this on, I'm just going to do 2 ties at the back of my head. If you found this video helpful, please go give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more on how to make the wardrobe you want from home.